we decided to stop by Showbiz and get a little bite to eat and a few drinks, and I ordered wings. A half a pound of wings. This is what you get when you order a half a pound for $8.99. You get 5 wings and maybe 3 carrots and 3 celeries. Look how small these wings are. That's crazy. I heard Chuck Norris owned part of this Showbiz, so we probably should get in touch with him. Maybe he should get his wings from Restaurant Depot or somewhere. He can get bigger wings and maybe less price, but for $9 for these. But my wife, she got her money's worth here off the chicken sandwich. But I just can't take my eyes off these wings. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get full. We'll see. I may have to order another half pound. But for $9, I expected a little bit more. So I'm gonna show you what the price is here on the menu. We're gonna zoom in on the menu. For $8.99 half pound, $13.99, you get a full pound. So don't order the wings, get you a chicken sandwich or a burger or something if you wanna try to fill up a little bit. But after 10-15 minutes of eating the wings, this is the finished product. There go those small bones. Look like these eggs just hatched. Really small. So Showbiz, try to up your game. Maybe you guys need to come by J. Harvey's Grill and try some of our wings. All right, have a great day. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.